What's up everybody, Block is here, and today I'm going to show you the updated version of this storage system that has been long awaited and much requested by a lot of you. So hopefully you're going to like this new version today. This system was basically too complex. I would have to select the color and then I would have to click retrieve and then wait for the item, and see, I just made a mistake right here. If I hit retrieve with a different color selected at the same time, I'm pretty sure we're going to break the purple sets. But it doesn't look like it's happening because for some reason this thing didn't work. So even when it's supposed to break things, it didn't break them. So it was a little bit too inconsistent. So the new system is a lot more compact, as you're gonna see. Uses a lot less redstone links. It doesn't use any of these latches. It doesn't use any of those NOT gates over there. Wait, why can't I zoom? Okay, here we are. We had a little technical issues there. So now, as you see, this system is very complex and really annoying to build. Like, the reason it took me so long to come up with an updated version is because whenever I looked at this thing, I would think, how would I do this again? Like, all of these pistons and NOT gates is way too complex. Like, I don't even know how I came up with all of this thing. So, the new version, as you'll see, does not use a lot of the same technology. So here we are, and this is a new system right here. And as you'll see, the chests are set up very, very close to each other. The different sets are much bigger than in the older system, and they can go much, much wider too. You can have them as wide as these chassis can go. So if you look here, you'll see that I had to double up the chassis to prevent the overlap when they land here on these card assemblers. And I had to stagger them, and that's all I needed to do to put them right next to each other. And then I got to keep the distance between these rows very constant at 1 block by using this one redstone link that's connected to a NOT gate here that all the other redstone links are connected to. So instead of having a big torch with a repeater leading into it here with a redstone link of a different color in each one of these blocks, I was able to reduce the space, and so it turned out to be a lot more compact, and I really like how it came out to be. It's I did not expect to be able to do this getting into it. And one of the biggest suggestions that I got from you guys was to use one cart for each set of chests, and that came in really handy when I started to think in that frame. So as you can see, this thing is really simple. When I flick a lever, the cart is gonna go pick up that set of chests and place it here, all in a matter of seconds. Let's take a look at this, the first one. Yeah, this is the first one, so you can see the whole process, and it's orange. The cart moves, picks up the items, places them here, so it all depends on this cart assembler being off, this one being on. This one is connected to the NOT gate, while this one is connected to the specific color, which also powers the rail over there, sending the cart all the way here. So now when I turn it off, these will turn on, powering the rail, and powering this cart assembler so that everything gets picked up and gets placed back there. And since there are no collisions, we have no issues with anything breaking. So I can turn this on, for example, then I can turn it off and turn this on, and because nothing can collide while it's moving, we actually do not run the risk of losing chests. You can be hasty with this and not worry about it. And I think that's very important in a storage system. You're supposed to be able to get your items very quickly and put them back without fear of having everything be destroyed and not being able to retrieve things because your inventory is full. Believe me, I've been there because I worked on that thing for a while, and I think this thing is a huge success. But I'd like to hear your opinions on it. Of course, the schematic is in the description, as usual, and I want to mention that I did this video live. Basically, I'm recording as I'm looking, and I don't have a script or anything, so I want to hear your opinion on that and whether you think that I sound like a robot or I sound a little bit too crazy, maybe. Other than that, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.